Welcome crafters. In this video today, we're going to be featuring our Little Women collection. And Charee, what are we going to be doing?
We are going to give you an inside look behind all the beautiful papers, embellishments, and everything that goes along with Little Women. We are so excited to finally show you. It's now in stores and available, so you're going to want to see all of these goodies. We're also going to show you a few delicious projects that you're going to see.
Very cool projects.
And we're going to show you the insides of those, show you some tips and tricks. So let's go ahead and get started.
Come on in.
So look at all the fun paper pads and embellishments that you get in Little Women. It's a lot of fun, and I think we should jump right in.
I just love this collection. There's so many different ways you could use it.
So I'm going to start off with our collection pack. This is a new thing for Graphic 45 is the last 6 months or so. It comes with, you're going to get 2 each of the 8 sheets, for a total of 16 sheets, and then one 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So let me just open this up. What I love about these collection packs and our deluxe collector's editions, they come in these really great sturdy poly bags that you can hold all your scraps inside.
It's great if you're in the middle of a project, you can put all those loose ends in there so you don't lose anything.
So this is our cardstock our cardstock sticker page that comes in the collection pack. You can also buy it separately, but it has got a lot of fun borders, buttons, stamps, tags.
Super usable for all of your different crafting needs that you might be creating with the Little Women collection.
And that's just a sneak peek into how brilliant these colors are. So let's just dive right into this. You can see on the reverse side of the pad, it has this nice cardstock that has some great patterns on the reverse side. And then we've got our signature sheet.
And like Charee mentioned, you'll get 2 of each sheet, so you'll have one where you can use the A side, and then one where you can use a really fun B side as well, which is great for more of your more subtle backgrounds.
And our signature pages are great for fussy cutting to create your own embellishments. This is our full bloom paper. As you can see, there's a brilliant blue background. And then look at these fun florals. I'll let Aimee take you in to see those a little bit better.
The thing I love about this line is that, you know, all of us kind of grew up with Little Women, and it's more of a traditional piece, but with this line, we're using some really vibrant colors, so it just brings it to life.
Following that, we've got Sisterly Love. Look at this gorgeous little yellow ditzy on the back, and then the front is another one of those amazing pages, perfect for album covers. They're great for fussy cutting. Some really fun backgrounds there. And our most popular of all the pages are always these fun cut apart pages. As you can see, they're very usable. You just cut along the lines, and then you've got all sorts of great sentiments, journaling spaces, borders, and they're super usable for cards, mini albums, pretty much any project you can think of. I know Diane, our mother, loves using those borders on home decor projects.
And I love the cameos on the back side. I can see a lot of fun uses for that too.
We're thinking this collection is going to be great for any occasion. Because of the brilliant colors, they really lend itself to birthdays, Mother's Day, any kind of celebration, family.
Yeah, I could see a lot of really nice family albums created with this, especially Mother's Day or something like that. You could make a really beautiful keepsake.
And then again, we've got more of those florals. This is from our Boundless Beauty. And the reverse side is this gorgeous stripe, which you can just pull these apart and use each little border area for your projects, which I always love. It makes, you know, this 12 by 12 paper so usable.
What a great idea. And what would Little Women be without a beautiful twa paper? Love this in the red. So it has more of like an updated kind of feel, but look at all those fun little characters and things that you could fussy cut in there, or I think those would be a great addition to some cards as well.
And last but not least, we've got these fun and usable book pages. So you can see if you can just cut this down, you can turn this into your own little booklet, having a cover, a back, and then you just can score these two pieces right in the center, and you have created a fun little book.
Very cool.
You can add in your own photos, and look at this.
And I just
Gorgeous.
love that really vibrant green, as many of you probably are seeing that as a very popular color right now in design, and so you could do a lot of fun things with that as well.
So look at all of this that you get in that collection pack. It is so much to work with. You can do multiple projects with just one collection pack, which we love about that. But I know we've got a lot of card makers out there and mini album enthusiasts. So we've got the 8x8 paper pad for you. And these are the same pages, the same designs, but these have been shrunk down to a smaller size. We haven't lost any details, so you can still see all of its brilliance. And these are great to put on your cards and your smaller size projects. Speaking of card makers, and for anyone who uses a lot of photo mats or layouts, we've got a Patterns and Solids paper pad for you. This has got 16 sheets in there. You get 2 of each design. And these are amazing because they've got a nice little small two-tone print on the front, and then on the reverse side it's got a really nice solid cardstock with a bit of texture and distressing. So if you're ever looking for cardstock when you're creating with Graphic 45, just be sure to pick up one of our Patterns and Solids paper pads, and it'll have your back.
So it's perfect, like Charee said, to match and coordinate with this collection. And so you have those colors that are great for card bases or like layout bases. So you could do a lot just with these Patterns and Solids, as well as like some of those decorative papers.
Yeah, so you can see just, if you can see those great vibrant colors, a lot to work with. So that is the 12x12 Patterns and Solids, and of course you're going to want some fun embellishments to go along with this collection. So we have for you a few different options along with that sticker sheet we showed you already. There's a gorgeous chipboard which adds some nice dimension. Aimee wants to bring this in closer so she can show you how fun this is.
And the chipboard is great because everybody loves a little 3D action on their crafting projects, and so these will give you that opportunity to do that. So a lot of fun different elements to add. Life and love are very precious when both are in full bloom. Gotta love that little cute saying.
And along with the chipboard, we've got a 2-page set of die cut tags and pockets, and I'm just gonna rip into this for you so you can see how much fun these are to work with. They are double-sided and come with the 2 sheets, so there's so many different options for you to use on your projects. Here we go. Aimee wants to bring that up closer to you. And you can see while Aimee's showing you that one, I'm just going to pop out another one. So it already has the lines scored and everything for you. So in the time Aimee showed you that, I popped this out, just add some adhesive onto these little tabs, and voila, you'll have a fabulous, easy to use little pocket with all sorts of tags that go right inside. And then along with that, you're gonna need your ephemera cards.
The ephemera cards are great to use as great card toppers already ready to go, or you can use these for your mini albums, your pocket scrapbooking, layouts, kind of anything really. That they are very versatile for sure.
I love all the journaling spots on the reverse side, which can make a really fun little insert on a birthday card. You can just write, your 4 favorite memories from that past year with a loved one. You can write just include a photo and include the sentiment of what's going on in the photo.
And there are 16 of the 2x3s and also 16 of the 3x4s and 16 of the 4x6s.
And they do go both vertically and horizontally, so whatever you're looking for, we've got a spot for you. But look how gorgeous these are. There's like places for lists, and these are also really fun for your recipes as well, or just to use as a postcard. So you can see this one has the postcard backing, so you just throw a stamp on there and pop it in the mail. Gorgeous, and a list 1 through 12.
Love it.
Yeah, great for your journaling, which is very, very popular right now. So that is our Little Women collection, all the goodies, and you can do so many endless things with them. This is an album that we taught this workshop at our winter trade show earlier this year. We have some of our local retailers who are going to be teaching this in stores, so if you are lucky enough to have a local store, be sure to check it out. Otherwise, we will have it up on our website in a few months, so you'll be able to see more details then. But you can see how the papers just come to life when you put it into a project.
Just so vibrant, and you can see that we've utilized some of those ephemera cards in there, so just a perfect way to use those in this journaling album.
And it's also using our black rectangle tag and pocket album that will be shipping and available in March, so be sure to stay tuned for that as well, and some of our new metal dies. And here I have a gorgeous 12 by 12 layout by Maria Cole. You can see she has taken a photo of herself and her sister and used a bunch of our staples, including our tags, our clock keys, to really make that stand out.
Just love all this layering, and hopefully you can kind of see how she's created all that dimension.
Ooh, she's even got a policy envelope up here.
Very cute.
So these are just a few of the staples that she used on that layout. And let me just bring over the grand finale, our Little Women piano. This was created by Jim the Gentleman Crafter, and it is a fantastic piece. He has assembled with his own chipboard pieces and cut to size.
So cool. As if you've ever seen Jim's work in person or online, you just know that he's just so great at thinking outside the box. These ideas that he comes up with are just always just blow my mind. And he just does it time and time again.
Fantastic. So now we want to hear from you. We want to know what you're inspired to create with this collection. So be sure to leave comments down below. And of course, subscribe for more videos like this and more tutorials and other workshops. And thanks so much.
Bye.
Happy paper craft.